Hey there, Greg from My Mortgage. Just wanted to chat about priority amounts. So sometimes we get questions about this from clients in your loan offer that you get from the banks, or potentially in your loan documents that you sign with your solicitor. There is a thing called a priority amount, a Section 82 priority amount. And we get lots of questions about this because generally it's about 1.5 times the amount of the lending that you've got. So say, for example, you have lending of 500,000, the priority amount will generally be about 750,000. And people look at that and go, but hang on a second, I'm only borrowing 500,000. And yes, 100% accurate, that amount that you're borrowing is the amount you're borrowing. What the priority amount is it gives the bank the ability to loan up to that amount at another time without having to change your loan documents. So there's benefit there two ways. One is for you and one is for the bank. So let's look at it from the bank's point of view first. The benefit there is if you didn't pay your home loan and the bank was adding on, say, penalties for that, or interest for that, then they can carry on up to that amount. So it protects them, gives them the ability to add on late fees and things like that if required, without having to send loan documents back to your solicitor and get you to re-sign it, which obviously would be difficult for them. So there is protection of the bank in there. But in the other side, for you, the best part of it there is you can then go back to the bank and go, hey, look, I need another $20,000 because I'm doing some renovations on the house, or potentially I'm needing to buy a vehicle, or whatever the reason is for a top-up, an extra amount added to your home loan. You don't then have to go back to the bank, back to your solicitor, get new loan documents and get them signed, which can sometimes be, maybe $1,000 or, of work to get that done. So it's actually saving you money as well. So essentially what the bank is doing, they're saying right now we're giving you X amount, but in the future, just to protect everybody, we're going to make sure that there's access to give more if needed without having to go through all the legal hoops of that. So we're not solicitors, lawyers here at My Mortgage, so feel free to have a conversation with your solicitor about that and make sure that you understand it and that it's all kind of lined up as you'd expect. But that's a bit of an overview of what a priority amount is, why it's higher than the amount that you're lending as well.